everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm really excited to show you how to upload Divi theme, the most popular WordPress theme in the world, and I'm saying it literally, the ultimate WordPress page builder. So as you can see my screen over here, I have just opened the website of Divi itself, and I'll just scroll down over here. You have to just search for Divi on Google and you'll get this website. The website URL starts with elegantthemes.com. Okay, so I'm just showing you few layouts of this theme or different designs. Okay, so when I say it's the world's top theme builder, is it is because of the variety they provide and the flexibility it provides when you are designing it. So these are all the layouts, and I'm just going to show you one quick glance of this theme. This layout package is there of elementary school. Okay, and when we click on any one of the pages, you'll come over here. So if you see the layout, the structure, the color combination, everything is so appealing and so catchy, and uploading this theme is also really an easy task. So you can download this theme from this website itself, or there are various platforms where you can buy this theme. And once you download this, you will get two folders. Now I have already downloaded this theme, I have purchased it, and here are those folders. Make sure, because previously I was confused with this as well, so please make sure that you do have two folders. One that consists the theme. Here you can see DV4, the name is there for this zip folder, and you do have a layout folder as well. Okay, now it might consist of somewhere around 30 layouts or 100 layouts depending on from where you are downloading it. I'll just quickly show you this folder, and here you can see there are about 127 layouts in this folder. That means you do have a wide range of variety, and if you can see this names, so it's like furniture store, for a funeral home, food recipe, food catering, farmer, eye doctor, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's begin. I have downloaded these folders, and as you all know, we do have a cPanel when we want to upload any theme or plugin. So I always prefer to upload it through cPanel itself. So once you open your cPanel, once you log in into it, you have to go in this public underscore HTML. Okay, so once you click in this, you will get this folder WP content, and you have to upload your theme in this itself. Okay, now my demo website is a subdomain, so I have a Divi theme folder for it. You won't be having it, and I'll just go in WP content. The structure is same. Now here you will get three folders: plugins, themes, upload. So we have to just upload the theme in this theme folder. That's it. So I'll just upload it over here. Select file and Divi theme. This DV4, which consists of the theme, and done. So I'll just click over here, go back, and I'll refresh it. Okay, so you can see the zip folder over here. Simple, extract it. Okay, say extract file and close. Now you won't be seeing it over here, so I'll just reload it, and you can see this folder over here. Don't do anything in this folder. Okay, just go back, delete this zip folder. Okay, confirm, and these are the initial themes which you always get. So now I'm going on the WordPress dashboard. As you can see here, there is the initial theme which you usually get, and over here I'll just go in themes. Okay, once you upload that theme, you should get this theme option. So you have to activate it. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be done. So once this is done, you will notice that you do have new button in your menu which says Divi. Okay, so whatever functioning is going to happen from this button itself. Click on that and it gives you various range of options where you can change the color, you can change the font, Google all this URLs and everything, whatever your requirement is there, as per that you can change all this. Now we will move on to how to upload the layout, because right now if I just refresh my page, you will see that there is a plain page with Divi over here, their logo. Even if I click on home page, there is nothing. Sample page also, there is just some content on it. Okay, so don't get confused, we need the layout. So from where to upload the layout? Over here you can see Divi library. Okay, click on that. Okay, now over here you are supposed to import the layout. Okay, as I told you in the previous time that we should have this layout folder, so we are supposed to upload it but not the entire folder. So I'll just click on this import, and here you will have export and import options. So just import, click over here, and I'll extract this folder first. Okay, now here you need to decide which theme you want to do right now. Okay, what is your requirement, whether you are doing it for yourself or your client, what is the topic for that. So I'll just randomly choose something, say candy shop. Okay, I'm excited about this, so let's do one demo about this itself. So here you will see different options. The best thing about this theme is that they give you one landing page as well as one home page. So landing page is generally the one which comes when any person clicks on your website URL through Google or through any search engine. So you do have two varieties for that. Now what we have to do is we have to just click on choose file. Okay, I'll just go in layout. Here is the candy shop and which one I want to import. So I'll just click on landing page. I'll say open. Okay, over here click on import present and click on import Divi builder layout. Okay, this takes just few minutes, and within few clicks your website is absolutely ready. Even if you are about to give demo, then also it's the best thing. You can just change the logo of your client with this theme, change the initial name and about us and something, and you can just show this website for demo purpose. Okay, now sometimes it happens that this particular thing hangs on over here itself and you are not able to do it. So just cancel the import and you can import it again. Or it might just take some time to upload because everything, every content, every element and image is getting uploaded. So just have patience and wait for it. Okay. Okay. So almost 60%. So, meanwhile, I'll tell you that if you are familiar with Elementor or WP Baker or similar kind of page builders, front end page builders, then this is really easy task for you. Also, if you are not familiar with it, still it is very easy. Okay, as you can see, this particular page is imported. Now, even if you go on the website, if you refresh it, you will not see anything. because we have just imported the layout, but we have not assigned it to a particular page. So we have to go in page, all pages, and I'll simply just refresh it over here and say add new. Okay, I'll just close this because I don't want this block editor. Over here you can see title, so I'll just say landing page because we are having a landing page imported, and I will say use Divi builder. Okay, right now I'm just assigning Divi builder to this particular page. I'm not giving any demo about how to edit it. Okay, so they will give you a tour so you can start building over here or take a tour. Now here you have to select, choose a pre-made layout. Okay, if you want to clone the existing page, that means if you want to duplicate it, here you have the option. If you want to build it from scratch, then also you have that option available over here. Right now I'm just going to browse layout. Okay, here they will show all the pre-made layouts, but we are not supposed to go over there. We have to click your saved layout. Now here you can see candy shop landing page. So just click on that, and here we are assigning this particular layout to this particular page. Always remember, because you may miss this point when you are doing this uploading theme. Okay, now here you can see, wow, this is absolutely amazing. You can see it actually feels like you are inside the candy shop. So this is why I always say that yes, it is the ultimate page builder as well as the best theme, WordPress theme option. Now here I will say publish. Okay, I'm not going to edit it right now, but as you can see, all the options are coming where you can edit it. Click on save, and right now I'll just exit from here. Okay, I'll just go back in my dashboard, or you can simply click on exit visual page builder. Now if I again go in my website and refresh my page, okay, now here you are not getting, but you can see that one landing page option is there. So click over that, and you can see your landing page is over here. Okay, I'll just do one more page for you so that it's like a revision. Okay, so once we uploaded the theme, we will go in Divi library option. Okay, then click on import, import data, choose file. So let's say we choose the contact page. Okay, and import present, import Divi builder layout, waiting for a few seconds, and work is done. Okay, now if you want, you can just first import all the pages whichever you want, and then simultaneously start building your pages from the page option. Okay, now here you can see you have this landing page option over here. I'll just say again add new. So we have imported the contact page, so contact us and use Divi builder, just simple as that. So once we come over here, you want to choose a pre-made layout, then you have to click on your saved layout. Now don't get confused, please read carefully, because sometimes you assign the same layout to two different pages, so make sure you read it properly. So I'm just assigning contact page over here, and done. Ta-da! So it's I'm just in love with this thing. So just publish. Here you can see all the contact pages, the even the form is there where you can, you know, assign some email address, and you will get all your contact details of your clients and everything. I'll just click on exit visual builder. Okay, Divi theme, and once I just refresh it, here you can see home page is there. Okay, now we don't want this home page, but contact us is there. Now again, one small thing I like to mention it over here, that if you're getting confused with the menu setting, just go in appearance, menu, and assign your menu over here. Okay, you can see there is nothing right now, so you have to just make one menu. Okay, I'm creating first primary menu, and then over here in page you can see view all. Click over there, and over here please make sure you're selecting the Divi pages which you have created. Okay, you might get confused with the original pages and the Divi pages. So I'm just selecting this to add to menu, just rearrange, drag and drop, and over here please make sure you select primary menu, save. Done. Once I refresh this, here I can see only two options are coming right now. So one more thing, that if you want to understand how to edit this particular theme, because it might be tricky to understand if you're not familiar with the page builders, so do let me know. Please comment below in this video, and do let me know if you need any help. I'll try to make one more video related to this theme, where you can learn how to edit it actually from the front end. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.